everyone, and especially to you for watching this video, because in the previous video I'm working on my lounge area, and in the previous video I almost made a fireplace with a TV unit built in. So now I'm going to make the couch. So this is actually I think I was my first attempt of making a couch for my living room, and I decided against that. I think that's why I've got this, but I'm going to use it now. It's just layers of carton. This is 6 layers. I just glued on top of each other, raw glue. I'm just going to already make my measurements. I'm going to make it a bit smaller for my area, and then I'm going to use this to put it around here for around the couch, and then I'm going to use this to cover my couch. This is puff, a normal puff, but I'm going to cut it open and I'm going to use it for my couch. I want it colorful. I'm going to put a sponge here for the seat, and I'm going to make something around the back, and I'm going to use batting for that. And then for the feet I'm going to use this balsa wood. I'm going to spray it silver. So yeah, I'm going to use this as just a thinner, much thinner cotton. I'm going to use to also on the couch. So yeah, that's everything. So let's get started. So I'm just going to I'm going to cut the couch according to my size that I want, and then I'm going to use this. Because I want to use this for the feet, I'm going to measure that out so long and paste it and everything, so that I can spray it, because I want it silver, so I can spray it silver so that can dry so long while I'm doing the rest. So yeah, let's carry on. So there you go. I'm quite chuffed with this couch, and there's Dad sitting now like a lounging on his couch and watching his sport on his new built-in wall unit. So I think that came out beautiful and I'm happy about it. So I'm still going to do some decor, like maybe against this wall here, and I want to put a clock against the wall here, and then maybe some end tables. So I'm not going to put a table here, there's no space, and then some ornaments and stuff maybe on here. But yeah, that will come. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and press that subscription button if you're not subscribed to my channel yet. And then until next time, bye.